Hello guys, so welcome to another episode. This episode I'm taking you through a very simple setup. Actually, I know I said a studio and you guys probably expected a whole room that's dedicated to a studio, and yes, this is a whole room that's a studio. I have a couch here, I have a recliner, I don't have anything else apart from lights, which I'm actually not using right now. I don't know why, but I find the lighting here quite interesting, so I literally do not need to use a light to shoot this video. However, I just wanted to take you guys through this simple setup, which is actually my workstation and where I intend to be shooting the videos from. So in case the audio is not that good, I'm really sorry. I was using the wireless microphones, but I kind of didn't charge the batteries. The batteries I use are actually rechargeable. So I have this. This is a charger. I'll use it to charge batteries, the AAA batteries. So everything I have, including my mouse, uses a AAA, and I have those batteries so that I can charge them whenever they're out of power. So this one will cost you something like 2,000. Anyway, we're here to discuss the setup. I will try as much as possible to mention the cost of every item. Then you guys can decide whether you want to go and get the item, or if you want to achieve something close to this. This has taken me a while actually to achieve, because everything you see here is intended for specific reasons. So yeah, so let's go through this. Very simple. So I'll start from this side on top, coming to this and the lower part, because of course I know you guys can see the lower part first. The lighting you can see, this is a ring light. It was actually my first video lighting. Then I noticed that whenever I'm shooting with the glasses on, the lights would reflect on the glasses and people would be able to see it. So I decided to switch from that to this. Decided to switch from that to an actual LED light last year. The batteries are charging, so it has this holder. I was using this holder sometime back to hold the microphone that I'm using right now, the wired one, the Boya. This cannot stay here because it's kind of metallic. Yeah, so there is that, the lighting. That is it about the lighting. Then we have, I have my music system here. It's a soundbar. It's a true wireless soundbar. It's an SL4 LG. I wanted to actually buy a JBL 9.1, but then the budget for that didn't really go well. So the JBL 9.1 will cost around 145,000 in Kenya. I did have that cash at the moment, so I decided why not just get something that can fit perfectly on the editing table, and the sound would still be good, and also achieve a true wireless kind of feel and surround sound. So this is an LG SL. It will cost you around 30,000. It has this subwoofer, so there is the soundbar, then there is the subwoofer. It comes with a little bit of mods. There is something they call SEN mod. There is an actual LG TV mod. There is actually bass, and then there is cinema. So in the apartment I stay in, when I use bass, mostly I get a call from the management. They ask me to abide by the contract that I signed. So mostly I use cinema. It achieves a lot for me actually, because when I'm editing I need to be able to hear what you guys are going to be hearing when you're watching the video. So that is the music system. This is the subwoofer. It's true wireless, no connection between the two. You just need to put them to power the two separately, and they will connect wirelessly. So I use that for the phone, for the laptop, and yeah. So when it comes to sound, also I have buds. These are Redmi Dot 2s. I lost one bud, so I only have this one remaining. This one I got it for transit because you have to charge it. It's Bluetooth, and it can't stay for hours. So I no longer use it that much. I actually wanted to give to somebody. Yes, that's it about sound. On top of the soundbar, there are these. These are actually hard discs. So this is a DW hard disk. This is my main hard disk. It's 1 terabyte. It's a DW passport. 1 terabyte. This one I got it at around almost 10,000. Can't really remember the amount. Almost 10,000 from my gadgets guy, phones and tablets Kenya. So yeah, that is one hard disk, 1 terabyte. Then I have another hard disk here, Samsung. This one is about, it's not even a terabyte. It's about close to, it's actually 512 GBs. Half a terabyte. So I have those two. One of them is actually full, the other one is not. That's where I save videos just for rainy days. Then I have this. This is some sort of a game. It's by Google, gifted to me in 2019 when I was starting off. I haven't even ever thought about it. So this one distracts me when I'm stressed. I just need to try to rearrange it back. Every time you always get a challenge, despite having done it for years. Yes, so I also have a wireless charger. So I have to connect the charger to the laptop, then just place my iPhone on top of it and it starts charging. Now this is a bit helpful because you might be doing something on the phone and at the same time you want the phone to be charging. So what you do, whenever you are done, let's say I'm texting somebody, whenever I'm done texting them, I just need to place it on top of that kind of charger and the wireless charger, and bam, it starts charging. So yeah, there's that. Then I have a bit of collectibles. I have this. It's kind of a military car. It stays on top of the sound bar. So whenever I'm playing music and suddenly this vehicle starts to probably shake or move, I know that's too much sound and I have to like put the sound down a bit. Then I have my band. It's charging. It's supposed to be here, but it's charging. So yeah, it just stays here. It charges through the laptop. Most of my accessories I charge through the laptop. I know that's not advisable, but you know, it's closer to me every time. So yeah, with the band, I have two straps for the band. I have the black one and I have this one. Now this one looks like my glasses. So the reason why I have black right now is because most of the clothes that I'm putting on today are black and I don't have the glasses on, so I use the black just to match. Then these ones, I use them whenever I'm in official duty and have my glasses on, or I'm doing anything on the screen that will need me to concentrate. And with that kind of concentration, I don't need my eyes straining because I need to sleep at night. Yes, so at the further end, I have two very important items. These are DTB flash disk. You never know when you need to reboot or to reinstall Windows on your machine. That's what this is mainly for. This one is kind of an adapter from USB to USB-C female. Now the reason is because my phone has a USB kind of charging. Like if you're connecting it to the adapter, it's USB-C. And I will need to connect my phone to the laptop. The laptop does not support that, so I had to get this. Yes, so then and then I have the glasses themselves. This is green, how do you call them? It's actually block the blue, leave the light here. So they are Banner brand is actually a Barcelona brand that deals with tech kind of glasses. So these are the glasses. I think you guys have seen them before. Yeah, mostly you've seen them. Yeah. So I have that. I use these ones mostly when I'm editing or doing something. So after shooting this, I'm going to put them on and start editing. Yeah. So on top here I have these are actually books. I have about 3 notebooks. Then I have a diary. Then here I have my Bible. I've been with this Bible actually since 2010. This Bible has very interesting verses that I've actually outlined throughout my life. So whenever I open the Bible randomly, I always find a verse that's really going to mean something to me, and that's inspiration and hope for me. So I also have a book that I love the most. I've read it almost 3 times, Richest Man in Babylon. Then I have a book that was gifted to me by this guy called Anthony Muiruri. It's actually self-published. It's called Be Good for Good. Then I have the Nairobi Noah. Now this book does not belong to me. It belongs to a friend of mine called Carlos, who gifted it to me to review when I was reviewing books back last year. It's one of the most beautiful books I've ever read, and I intend to give it back to him. I've met him severally since, but I've not had time. Like I did have the book with me for me to be able to give it back. So that's the kind of setup I have on top here. Down here I have a section where I put a few of very important gadgets. That's where the microphone is, where the mathematical set is. That's where the ruler is. People keep asking me about a mathematical set. It's because most of the time you need to do something. Let's say you need to shoot, and you need not even to shoot. Let's say the drawing that I did a few days ago, I had to do like a lot of calculation, try and get right, correct, and perfect circles and all that. You never know when you need to know the angle of something. Yeah, so the ruler, that's common. Everybody has a ruler in their house. Yeah, I'm assuming everybody does. So the wireless microphones that just refuse to work today. I have a power bank. Yes, I have a power bank here. This one, obvious reasons. Although I don't use it that much these days, but it actually helped me when I'm shooting using the ring light, and I'm not close to a place where I can plug it into power. So that's when I use it. The ring light is really handy because you don't need to charge it. As for the light, I have to charge it. So sometimes I forget to charge the light, and I need to shoot a video. Let's say short videos like the ones I do on TikTok. That one I just use the ring light and take my glasses off, so it doesn't reflect on that. So down there I have chargers, and I have a charger for the camera, I have a charger for the batteries, and I have a gaming pad for the laptop and the games that I play. Then I have a switch. When I need very fast internet, I use the switch from the router to the switch, then distribute it to my laptop. I only have one laptop. Somebody would ask why the switch. You only have one item, one gadget that would use an Ethernet cable. It also doesn't have an Ethernet port, so I need to use an adapter for it. Mostly I borrow the adapter, so because I don't have it. Here I have some games. This is called Ghost Blitz. It's a game that's a bit complicated. I haven't played it yet because I don't know anybody who actually knows how to play it apart from me. Then I have cards, normal cards for those who play poker and all. Then I have Harry Potter cards. I've also never played the Harry Potter cards with anybody else except alone, because nobody else knows how to play them. I haven't met anybody who knows. Then I have a box there full of cables. That's where if you need a cable, if you're in my house and you need a cable probably to charge your phone or anything you can think of, they're inside that box. Like all the cables stay there. All of them. Apart from the chargers, which are a bit huge and can't fit there perfectly. Yeah, so guys, that is the setup. Oh, very important. I have my phone, stays here. The laptop. Now this laptop is an IdeaPad 3, the one that has an SSD, 1 terabyte, and as it's 11th gen, so it runs Windows 11. Kind of very interesting what this laptop can do with such limited specs. It's awesome. I don't know whether it's doing me a favor or something, but this has been able to render all the videos that I've been doing, and those videos are kind of very huge. Then I have my mouse. This is a Logitech original mouse. It's M185, an original one, because I had really gone through a lot of issues with the fake ones or the random ones that you can just buy out in the streets. Now most gadgets here are bought from phones and tablets Kenya, because those guys, I can trust them. So yeah, the table and the seat, this seat is kind of interesting. So the seat and the table would cost you around 22,000, and then the rest. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope that next time I'm doing this there will be different things on the table. Yeah, I just hope that the next time we do this there will be very different and more interesting stuff. So I have artworks. I'm supposed to place an artwork here, but then I remembered I need to build my own PC. So this will stay blank until I build, because I intend to build this PC on the wall. Yeah, so I think the artwork will just have to stay behind. So this is a window for when I need fresh air or light. I don't have to keep all the lights on during the day. I can just open the window and get fresh air when I'm working, editing, or doing something. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. As you know, like, comment, share, and subscribe as we grow here. I believe that we're growing together. Thank you so much for watching. Next time.